I've been getting hundreds of comments asking me how to get the best quality using your phone. So today I'm going to present to you how you can get the best quality ever using Funimate on your phone. To download the app, just go into the first link in the description. And what we're going to do from here is just press the little plus sign, choose quality, and select the clip that we want to upscale. As you can see, in my case, I chose a clip from Ant-Man. Now, if you need to, you can cut your clip right here and make it fit your liking. I'm just going to use the whole clip. Next, we're going to press done. And now from here on, you're going to have 3 options that you can choose from. You can either use smooth, realistic, or anime. I personally found out that for the edits that I want to make, realistic and smooth looks the best. So I'm going to first go ahead and select realistic. Now press generate. And now it's analyzing and upscaling your clip. Note that this might take a while depending on how fast your phone works. Now once all that's done, you can see that now the quality of your clip already enhanced by a lot. If you want to, you can also add a color correction that will make your edit look even better. But I'm gonna add mine afterwards, so I'm just gonna leave it out for now. Now we can click continue. Now we can save our edit to our camera roll or share it directly through the app. Now if you want your edit to look a bit smoother, we're gonna go ahead and now select the smooth option. Once we've selected that, we're gonna go ahead and press generate, just like before. And it's now gonna analyze your clip again and upscale it. This again might take a while depending on how fast your phone works. Now as you can see, this edit looks already way better, way smoother and way more saturated. So now if you want to, like before, you can also add a color correction to your edit, but I'm gonna leave that out again. Press continue, and now you can just save it to your camera roll or directly share it. Now with what option you go in the end of the day is up to your liking and what you think looks best. But be sure to always experiment, because that's how you can get the best results. Also let me down in the comments which one you chose and which one you think looks the best. Now this is by far the best method to get the quality of your edits up, so make sure to not miss out and download it now from the first link in the description. And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below telling me what tutorial you want to see next. Also make sure to check out my Discord. We're a huge community of editors. You can just ask me questions or get in touch with me. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.